Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, and this is by Matchbox, and again this is by Mattel. So I don't know which year. I think this is an imported one which I bought from someone. So without knowing, this actually came in India also. We didn't know that at that time. Being just for the color combination, and I personally love this glittering green color. Some of you guys might know it now. So this was actually a surprise gift from my wife. So I just wanted to unbox this one. So again, this exact casting came in India also just now, I think a month back. So you can get this, but it will be in a different color. And I don't know the card art. I think it will be from left to right. Here you can see it is from uh, right to left. So that is the only difference if I'm not wrong. I think this is a older box, or I'm not sure where is the year mentioned here. Okay, let's not waste time on that one. Let's unbox this. So during my last video, I told you guys, Matchbox cars usually has both headlight and taillight details, right? So let me show you on this one. I'm pretty sure this one has. Okay, so here is the card art. That looks really beautiful, and it is a bit creased because I think it's a old one. Let me put this aside. Okay, here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So I personally love the set of rims in Matchbox. This one looks really metal. I mean, it is actually plastic, but the way they painted it, it looks like metal. And the interior looks really good. It has headlight details. The Porsche logo is there, but it is a bit messed up. But it is something is there. And you are having rear view mirrors here, and it is a slightly glittery green. It is not too glittery, but it is a little bit, and it suits this car really well along with this golden rims. And so like I mentioned guys, you can see the tail light details also here. Okay, here the Carrera, that logo placement is really good. It is not messed up or anything. It is not even pixelated. It is really good. And the body is fully metal, and the chassis is fully plastic. So the chassis actually has a good amount of detailing for the price range, including the exhaust details here. And it has door handle details also. That is really great. So I'm still not sure why people are fighting only over Hot Wheels. Okay. Let's weigh this casting now. 35. Okay, 36 grams, not bad. Let's do a roll test now. Okay. Okay, it produces a lot of noise, and it even pitches a little bit. Honestly, the wheels also wobble a lot. But it still rolls, and it still reaches the end of the track, so I'm not going to complain about that. So okay, so let's rate this casting now. So I don't see any issue with the casting. So it has both sides details, and it looks really beautiful. And if you are a Porsche fan, just go ahead and get this one. I mean, still this is available in India, but in a different color again. Get that one. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10 for this casting. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.